Lunch break doesn't slow this place down. It just gives you a clear look at how a sport chassis comes together, start to finish. Last week, the components that make the truck ours were in the paint area, getting a first-class treatment. Precision prep, flawless finish, and a tough undercoating designed for real work and real miles. The week before that, it was fabrication, where the signature look gets built from the ground up. Our tank covers and bed design, often imitated, never matched. And while those parts are moving through the line, our plastics department is crafting what you won't find anywhere else. Custom consoles and door panels built in-house for an interior that's truly unmatched. Every department is meticulous about the detail. Every cut, every fit, every final check. And we still consistently produce about 2 trucks a week, shipped out through our nationwide dealer network. Most are built for customers who've been patiently waiting, and a few are kept in dealer inventory, ready for you to see in person. Every sport chassis is crafted in-house, start to finish, built for the road ahead, with your safety at the top of the list.